I've spent months and even years traveling on the road, but only now do I realize that it all led me here, to this one moment, to this one place, to this time spent learning what really matters to me. Ta-da! Woofing allows us to experience 3 essential things for a happy life: cultivate our sense of hardship, have purpose, and become part of an open community, a second family. I don't explain it, but goats always intrigued me. Maybe it is because they have such unique personalities and a psychology that makes them touching and smart. Goats know how to read through us. They sense our frustrations and respond to serenity.
It really looks like an oil painting.
Every morning in front of Mount Rainier, I know why I'm waking up without actually being aware of what to expect.
You're a mom! You did it!
Maybe a goat gave birth last night. Hopefully the kids are strong. What will happen during milking? Who'll get the most attention today? The goats or the dogs? When I go to bed every night, joyfully tired after a day full of raw emotions, of simple moments, I never question why I'm doing all this. And I actually have a hard time explaining it to myself. Not only do we learn from the animals, but also from everyone else around. We play music, we explore our surroundings, and we sell milk and eggs at the farmer's market. Every single day awakens us and motivates us to be more curious, more hardworking. Even if tomorrow will be the same as yesterday, I know that tomorrow will teach us so many new things. What if this was all we needed to live fully?